What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Singularitynet, also known as Agix, which has pumped up over 17% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 30 cents guys. As you can see, major increases over the last couple of hours. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is looking at how high this crypto can go. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? So covering both short term and long term over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high is it going to go, and is there crypto worth investing into? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.23% in the last 24 hours, and of course we have Agix as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, gaining 18% in the last hour. Yes, it has gone for a little bit of a drop, 1%, which is nothing major. Over the week, 16% up. We can see major increases here about a week ago, going up to about 32 cents, and then after that it's been consistently dropping in value all up until the last couple of hours, where it started to pump up, and over the month is an overall 11% down. So overall, as you guys can clearly see, it has been dropping in value quite a bit over the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up to $114 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase, as a lot more people are trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. More and more people are buying, more people are selling it, and in general a lot of people are trading it, hence why the trading volume is going up and the value of it is also going up as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Singularitynet, which is the purple line here, which is here in purple at 26 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 30 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And yes guys, they are looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major consistent increase that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Singularitynet. Again, just because I'm saying it's going to be a drop, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop or a major crash or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to about 28 to 29 cents is where I'm expecting Agix to be trading at by in the early hours of tomorrow. And again, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping from this point onwards. Of course not. It's likely to hit about 31-32 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down to about 28-29 cents in the early hours of tomorrow. So yes, do expect it to be volatile up and down, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again guys, we've still got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning once again it's not realistic. Only reason is the last couple of hours, as I mentioned in the last chart that I showed you guys. So again, over the next 6 to 7 days, in this case I am expecting an overall increase in value from Agix. So let's say by midweek next week, so around the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from this crypto, but again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Potentially pumping up to about 30 to 33 cents is what I'm expecting Singularitynet to be trading at by midweek next week. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently staying at that price range. Just like the last couple of days, it's going to be quite volatile, up and down, red and green candles, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, do expect an overall increase in value from Agix over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late July, early August 2023 guys. Again, we've got the blue and the orange lines still looking bullish, still looking positive. However, they're not looking as steep as the previous two charts, meaning is much more realistic. So yes, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Agix over the next 6 to 8 weeks, and at that point we should hopefully be trading over the 50 cents target, depending on how the crypto market performs, especially how Bitcoin performs. As you guys can see, Bitcoin hasn't moved much in a while. It's been stuck around $27,000 and is likely to stay at that price at the moment, but over the next 2 to 3 months we should see an increase in value heading above $35,000 is what I'm expecting by late July, early August, and at that point we should see most cryptos going for an overall increase in value as well. But again guys, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is and how it works. Any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there, so that is why I tend to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on most cryptocurrencies and on the crypto market in general as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But at the moment is looking quite good for Singularitynet, and as mentioned in the thumbnail, $1 for this crypto. When is it coming? Personally, towards the very end of the year is when I'm expecting Singularitynet to be hitting the dollar mark, unless the crypto market goes for a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. Then yes, it may be able to hit it earlier than towards the end of the year, but again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs. At the moment, my predictions are Q4 of 2023 is when Singularitynet is likely to hit the dollar mark. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto guys. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.